Attention business owners! Are you ready to take your website to the next level with WordPress? WordPress is taking the online world by storm by running 34% of the entire internet. What started off as a personal project is now an integral part of the internet's architecture, powering hundreds of millions of websites. It handles all things website building and hosting, from personal blogs, information sites, small business content, and big business companies. The best part about WordPress is that it's easy to use and flexible enough to make different types of websites. That's the main reason why WordPress has grown so much in popularity. It's best known as a blogging platform, but the majority of websites on the platform are e-commerce storefronts, a large portion of which belong to Fortune 500 companies like Fortune.com, CNN, and the New York Post, or tech giants like Microsoft and Facebook News. The popularity of WordPress is majorly attributed to not only its relatively low costs and simplicity, but also by factors like a wide choice of plugins and themes, availability of language packs, security, and SEO friendliness. Another important factor in WordPress's immense popularity is that it automates many of the time-consuming tasks involved in web publishing. The famous 5-minute install lets you launch a WordPress site with just a few clicks. But it's not that easy. Although there's no need to have coding knowledge while creating your own website with WordPress, it's a little bit intimidating to operate if you are not tech savvy. Well, we have put together all the resources you need to get started with WordPress quickly and easily. Introducing WP Training Kit. A complete, step-by-step WordPress video training encompassing everything you need to know to make WordPress work for your business from scratch. Take a look at what you are going to get inside. Module number 1. 8 step-by-step training videos. It will show you exactly how to make WordPress work for you to create engaging, attractive, and professional-looking websites without having a lick of coding knowledge. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going in no time. Module number 2. Premier Training Guide on WP Training Kit. This guide will walk you through every step and information you need to set up your own WordPress site securely and efficiently. We have included everything you need to know about WordPress and its advanced features to let it work for you. And that's not all. In addition, we are providing 3 fast action bonuses. Bonus 1. Cheat Sheet. Bonus 2. Mind Map. Bonus 3. Top Resource Report. And they work seamlessly for big websites as well.